Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today on installing the BMC intake filter for the RS3. So I got the filter out right here, just how it comes out of the package. So what we're going to do first is we're going to blow it out with the compressor. You don't have to do this, especially with BMC, they're pretty good, but with the K&N, you want to blow out the filter first because there's so much oil that they dip it in, and you don't want that getting into your intake system and your airflow sensors and stuff like that, and just in the engine in general. So let's get this thing blown out and then we'll install it in the car. Alright guys, we got the car pulled in. Let's pop the hood and let's get this filter installed. Also got a nice new floor jack right there. Nice 3-ton. Alright guys, let's get this intake filter installed in the RS3. Alright guys, this is a pretty simple job. All you need is a basic T20 just to get all the screws out. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Okay guys, once you use your T20 to loosen up all the bolts, it's pretty simple. We're going to pull the old intake filter right out. Just got one last one back here. The good thing is they actually don't come out, so you won't lose them, which is nice. So there, we have access to the old, or the OEM intake filter. Let's pull it out. Okay. Alright guys, there's the OEM filter. Very, very thick, very restrictive. So hoping the BMC filter, again, I'm not looking for performance, it's more maybe just a bit more sound and some maybe better breathability for the engine. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's thicker, it's a lot more restrictive. I'll grab the BMC one and we can compare it together. Alright guys, I got the BMC filter stacked on top of the OEM one. You can really tell the size difference. Right, so there's definitely a major size difference. It just shows how restrictive the OEM filters are, which are fine, whatever, they do the job, but this should help the engine breathe a lot better. So let's toss it in and get it all put back together. Alright guys, so same thing, we'll just put the BMC filter in the same way we took the OEM filter out, and then we'll just tighten up all the bolts, and let's hopefully see if it makes an improvement. I'll make sure it actually sits in place. I did leave one bolt undone, or it's still tightened up. I want to make sure it actually sits perfect just in case. There we go. I think it's all the way in, but just make sure. Yep. It's all good. Okay, let's tighten it back up. So I looked on YouTube and I saw no videos with anybody with an RS3 installing the BMC filter. Most guys go with the aftermarket, like your usual APRs, Unitronic, AWE, CTS Turbo, all the usual options for this car or for this platform. Last two cars I did install an aftermarket intake. On the Golf R I had the Unitronic and the CTS at 1.2, and then on my GTI before that, on my MK6 GTI, I had also Unitronic intake on that one too. So, you know, I'll probably end up buying or installing a true intake on this car. Again, it's stock right now, so I don't really need to, you know, I'm not trying to build power here, but for $100 Canadian, it's not a bad idea to install this. At least I can say I've done something, right? Yeah, because the car's stock, it pretty much only has the secondary cat deletes, the CTS turbo cat deletes. But aside from that, the car's stock. Alright guys, so there you have it. Very simple process to install the BMC filter. Again, you're just basically, you know, undoing 7 Torx T20 bolts, and then just taking out the OEM filter, put the new one in, and then good to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys can't subscribe, I want to do a lot more videos coming up, just detailing wise and, you know, installing some small parts in the car. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching.